Next question on depreciation. MS Vipul Trader purchased a machinery of 4 lakh on April 1st, 2012. New machinery of 80,000 was purchased on October 1st, 2012. Means in the same year, two machineries have been purchased. Books are closed on 31st March every year. Even if not said, our accounting year is from 1st April to 31st March only. तो तभी close करते. Provide depreciation at the rate 10% per annum on WDV method. Important summary sheet के top पर note करो. Depreciation at the rate 10% per annum given, and which method? Written down value method. So इसका depreciation method now different from straight line method. While doing practical questions you will understand. Make machinery account up to 31st March 2015. So 3 years. First year जिसमें machinery purchase की थी, that was 12-13. So 12-13, 13-14 and 14-15. मशीनरी परचेज इन 12-13 जो फर्स्ट मशीनरी है 4 लाख की परचेज की. लेट्स नेम इट एज M1 मशीनरी 1 परचेज्ड फॉर ₹4 lakh on 1st April 2012. So bracket में date is very important for calculating depreciation. 1/4/2012. Okay. New machinery of 80,000 was purchased on October 1st 2012. So M2 second machinery इसी साल में खरीदी है of ₹80,000 on October 12. So 1/10/2012. That is, it is clear now. 1/4/2012 पे depreciation पूरे साल का लगेगा, but October so only 6 months का depreciation लगेगा 80,000 पे. And is there any transaction given? कुछ खरीदा, कुछ बेचा? Nothing is purchased or sold in 13-14 and 14-15. So no transaction here, no transaction here. So simply we have to start keep applying depreciation in the year और end तक आना है 14-15 में. Now since there is no addition or deletion in the machinery account, I am straight away making the machinery account. एक भी एसेट बेचा है यदि बीच में या फ्रेश एसेट किसी नेक्स्ट ईयर में खरीदा है, प्लीज डू द वर्किंग फर्स्ट and then only plot the machinery account, but no, it's not the case here. So directly start with the solution. On 1/4/2012 our first machinery is purchased. 1/4/2012 entry for machinery purchase, that is machinery account debit to cash or bank. So to bank, and the amount is 4 lakh. And in the same year on 1/10/12 second machinery was purchased. So machinery account debit to cash or bank for ₹80,000. Okay, now our calculation for depreciation on 31/3/2013 because the year is 12-13. So by depreciation how much? Machinery 1 पे depreciation, see 4 lakh is your original cost. So 4 lakh into 10% comes up to 40,000. So machinery 1 का depreciation 40,000. Okay, and machinery 2, working for machinery 2 80,000 है. 80,000 into 10% is 8,000, but then it is only for 6 months. So into 6/12 that comes up to 4,000. So total depreciation is 44,000 for the year. And on 31/3/13 by balance carried down. 4 lakh plus 80,000 is 4 lakh 80,000. And 4 lakh 80,000 minus 44,000 comes up to 4 lakh 36,000. So first year is over. Now start with the calculations of second year. Opening balance लिखो पहले. So 1,413. To balance brought down 4 lakh 36,000. And now entry of depreciation as on 31/3/14 because any additions or subtractions to machinery है ही नहीं. So by depreciation, see written down value method है तो अब base amount नहीं लोगे. 4 lakh minus 40,000. ओके 4 lakh minus 40,000 जो फर्स्ट ईयर का डेप्रिसिएशन करके रिटर्न डाउन वैल्यू आ रहा है दैट इज 3,60,000 फॉर मशीन 1. 3,60,000 is your written down value. And for machine 2, 80,000 minus 4,000 that is 76,000 is your written down value for machine 2. अब उसका 10% करो. So 3,60,000 into 10% is equal to 36,000. And 76,000 into 10% that is 7,600. This is your total depreciation. And take the total और balance नीचे लेकर आओ. 4,36,000. 4,36,000. And as on 31/3/14 by balance carried down 4,36,000 minus 36,000 and 7,600 comes up to 3,92,400. 392,400 is your balance. And now start with 1,414. To balance brought down 392,400. So 392,400 रिटर्न डाउन वैल्यू में हर साल का डेप्रिसिएशन लेस करके जो अमाउंट मिलता है रिटर्न डाउन एक्चुअली रिटर्न डाउन वैल्यू उसके ऊपर डेप्रिसिएशन निकालना है ना कि ओरिजिनल कॉस्ट पे डेप्रिसिएशन निकालना है. जस्ट रिमेंबर दिस पॉइंट. रेस्ट ऑल इज इजी. सो depreciation as on 31/3/2015. 31/3/15 by depreciation. How much? The written down value of machine 1 was 3,60,000 minus your 36,000. So that comes up to 3,24,000 machine 1. So value of machine 1 3,60,000 रिटर्न डाउन वैल्यू आ रहा था उस मशीन का माइनस 36,000 दैट इज डेप्रिसिएशन प्रीवियस ईयर का 3,24,000 मशीन 1 324. एंड मशीन 2 देखो मशीन 2 में 76,000 was your opening value. 76,000 minus 7,600 so that comes up to 68,400. ओके इनका 10% रिटर्न डाउन वैल्यू का 10% इज अगेन योर डेप्रिसिएशन. सो दैट कम्स अप टू 32,400. 32,400 and 68,400 into 10% 6,840. 6,840. So just take the total 392,400. 392,400 and इसमें as on 31/3/15 by balance carried down 392,400 minus 32,400 minus 6,840 comes to 353 160. That is your balance. 353 160. So easy question on WDV. We'll do more questions on written down value method now.